So can we all say happy Children's Day to everybody else's children? Will be your children or your brothers and sisters? Yeah, can we do it all together? Yes? Let's go. We all say happy Children's Day, alright?
Oh.
In 1, 2, 3.
Wow, sung xiên là.
Happy Children's Day! Yes,
Oh,
alright.
băng nè.
We should protect our children very, very important. Well, probably, after the next performance, you will come in your school dress.
Oh, okay. That's a whole lot of time.
Tang sedang rupat sedang rela.
Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have for you a band that calls themselves
Pun lại Tuid ta.
Waves. Okay, and well, they actually, want
Baik,
us
saya
to
serusam.
go back to a time when we
Oh, gimana đây?
our own room. And then,
Băng là
when you come
sung xiên
across
ba lam ta.
Bending Waves, the band that's coming up next, and they take you
Đây.
in your day to the wrong side.
Which side? Is it the wrong side?
We will need to ask them when they come up on stage, but ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present to you a band that thinks that they will blow your mind with their performances. Please welcome on stage.
Bending Waves! Give it up for this guy!
Wow. Ayan sedang. Tây là sedang. Kita sengi tip mana buan. Oh, wan ka describe mat tu. Ka script ayur tu. Kapan na po friend. Wow. Cimbun ni ba kasi susit sirup som tahu sedang lah pang kewin lupa lah page lah oh kaniga feel naga bopel basodok boplun ngatang mi arung la duk pala dong tang bai rung biara yo tai jen koi kham sung sit tai po jen stadium kene po skin ground